Hi everyone, now let's discuss about nested list in Python. So the nested means a list within the list. So now nested list is very important in Python programming in the project itself. Now let's see, I am taking one list that is with the data. Then you can say 10, 20, 30 and then some values I am just taking. Print of type of then data here and then print of same data we can display. So this is the list. We have taken an example. Now what I am trying to understand here, so you can able to make list in another way, that you can say, so you can use like this, then you can say 60 and then 70 and then again 80 then 90. So this is also a list, so we can able to add list within the list itself. Now when you want to display the value of, then now what you need to do here, print of, then you can say the value for index number. Okay, index number, so index number 0 1 2 3 4 is okay. So now what we need to do, data, then index number, if you take 4, then what is the result value, you can see 60 70. That means this list, entire list is coming. So if you want, then you can go and see indexing classes. Okay, slicing and indexing, then you can get to know. Now if you want to see third index, then you can say third index will be 50 here. Okay, so that is how we can able to add the values. So you can add any number of lists here. Okay, then you can say another list I am adding inside when the requirement, if we need, so then we can able to add the list here. So we can add the list inside the list, that is called nested list here. Now if you want to bring the value of this, so 0 1 2, so index number 2, if you bring the value, then here, then there is 90 80 from this. Now if you want to pick value for 90, then we need to use 2, then you can say 0. So from the second index inside the sublist, 0 will be the 90, and if you want to 80 value, then you can make 80 like this. And if you want index number 1, then inside, so actually 0 1 2 will be the entire list index number. From there sublist will be here 0 1. So now unfortunately if we are using here 2 comma 2, then it will be list index out of range. That means inside 0 1 will be there is no 2. Okay, so second index is absolutely fine, and then this index 2 is not available for this 90 80 will be 0 1 only, not 2. So that's why it is throwing an error. Okay, so what you need to do here, you need to bring specific index number only. Okay, so then you can say 2 comma 1, that will be 80. So this is how we can able to get the values of list within the list. So that is called nested list. Okay, when you are trying to display the index number for 7, then you can see 90 will be there, the last index number. When you are going to do for 8, then it will throw an error, right? Similar way, list index out of range. Now in this, if I am taking, so if I am taking here 6, then what will be the index number, this will be 80, and take here 5, so index number 5 will be the 60 70. If you want to add, you can add values 90 also, or you can say 100. So now I want to display 100 value from this. Now it is index number is 5, from there sublist will be 2 here, then 100 is coming. Now if we are using 2 instead of 3, then it will throw error because it has only 3 values. Okay, but it starts from 0, 1, 2. There is no 3, 4 inside the index 5. So that's why we need to bring values correctly by passing index number. So if you are not clear about indexing, please watch indexing classes in the session, then you can get to know clear picture on this. Okay, so this is all about nested list. So thank you very much and see you in the next class.